Looking at Alibaba, so today 3.3% down. I think overall market is down as well before Jerome Powell, and also just to update before they report earnings in May. We are officially in Q1 earnings mode, but let's have a look at Alibaba, what it has been doing for the past week or so, since we haven't covered this stock ever since it did slip below $100. So that's when I covered it last time. So you can see the theme here, pretty much slow melt down, no bids whatsoever. So anytime it tries to pop, there is a seller showing up. And also last time we covered that it could potentially fill this gap, the gap that it made from 76-ish all the way to 92-ish area. So this this blue zone, let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see it. So that's what we talked about, and we talked about this 86 being support. Below that, no other support all the way till 75. I think that any pop here at this point, again, people will come in and sell it or short it, and it can go as far as to this resistance of $100 if you think that market can rally into the May. Pretty much seasonality wise, we have usually end of April, a little bit of a bullish action. So if you think that they can rally up there, well, in May, I think the challenging time will be for the stock is that after their earnings, pretty much. And market has no mercy to any report at the moment. Slight miss, market has been pretty much punishing the stock. So I do think that they're not going to report very exciting earnings just due to what's going on in China. If you guys don't know, just you can look it up. I know mainstream media doesn't cover much, but I do think that we can definitely test 73 once again, 75. And I don't have a position. I'm not looking at option activity today at all. It's been half a day so far, but we can take a look at the volume, what's going on. But overall, very simple. That's what I'm looking at. To the upside, we have $100 as a resistance. To the downside, we are sitting at the support right there. But to the downside, all-time lows can be tested, 75, 73. Today, 117,000 calls were traded, 75,000 puts were traded, slightly more calls, but again, I don't know if there's those calls being purchased as a naked calls or if they're being sold. Implied volatility, let's take a look at May 20th. So probability of this stock being at 75 by May 20th, well, 30%. Market is implying that 30% probability. So it's pretty high. And if you look at the open interest for $75 strike price, there's 11,000 contracts sitting right there. And then if you look at the $100 calls, well, there's decent volume on $100 calls as well, and open interest as well, 18,000. And that's May 20th. That's what I'm looking at. And Alibaba is about to report, if they don't change it, of course, if they don't change the date, 12th of May. So that's why I'm looking at that time frame basically. And if you look at the weekly chart, I mean, we had 2 strong weeks, and 4 weeks it has been selling off. So surely we might see a little bit of a run up into the earnings, but that's it. That's the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.